Digital Marketing for Beginners. This video is to explain to you how you can start your online digital marketing business if you don't have no experience. But first, I'm gonna introduce myself. If you don't know me, my name is Gabi Jalad from Montreal, Canada. I'm a father of one boy, 15 years old. He's the love of my life. I'm a single dad. I've been single for almost 8 years. I don't know why I didn't get another girlfriend or a wife, but I think I'm not ready yet. But I'm not here for that. So, in 2024, February 2024, I lost my job. I got laid off. And this was a big thing for me because I'm already at 55 years old and I need to secure my retirement and I'm single. I have a house, I have bills, I have so many things. I was already looking into digital marketing, but I was not ready to take that step forward and say, yes, I want to try that. I was always scared and I'm not sure about it. But I got laid off. So what the hell? So let's try it. Might as well try it and not regret it later on. Say, I didn't try that and I could have. So let's start from the beginning. When I started that digital marketing, I had really no experience. I didn't know how to start. I don't know. I still don't know how to create a website or to do my email funnels. But everything in that business is the first thing to do is to get the blueprint. And then from that, you install everything step by step by step in order to get your system up and running. It's really very simple, and you don't have to have any tech skills, or you don't need to be tech savvy or any of that. It's like anyone could do it if you follow a step by step. And after that, you need to start promoting that program, right? So what you do is you do your copy pasting ads on a high traffic website in order people to see it, like it, and go to your website. And you do TikTok videos or YouTube videos like I'm doing right now. And with that, you can promote your products and people to attract actually people to your website so they can go there, put their email in, and see and start receiving all the emails from me to see if they like my products. If they like it, they go buy it, and if they don't, they can just unsubscribe, and that's it. There's no headache, there's no hassles, there's none of that. I know. And this is like the most beautiful thing about that with digital marketing. It's 100% profit, my friend. Like there is no, it's not like affiliate marketing. It's not that 25%, 15, 10%, I don't know what. This is the whole 100% in your pocket. And you have four products to promote. You have the Launchpad for 100, you have the Passive Daily Pay for 300, you have the Digital Mastery for 600, and the Legacy Builders for 900. The Legacy Builders is the best. Why? Because when you get the 900, you can promote all the other three. So you have four different products. But if you only get the 300 and a client say, I saw on other website the product for 900, I want it, so you don't have it, you cannot sell it to him. So that's why I went right away for the 900. It's might as well. It's only one-time fee, and after that, it's 100% profit. And on top of it, it's digital, right? It's like you can resell it over and over and over again. It's not like a physical product. That's the magic about it. So you only pay for it once, and if you sell it, you make more over and over and over. But the only thing is you have to get better and start learning how to actually promote those products and learn all the digital marketing skills in order to do that. But with that, you're in good hands. Why? We have 2 to 3 mentoring Zoom calls every week that teaches you that. With Michelle O'Neill, with different, like this week we have Tim, and every week is different. And on top of that, we are at 38,000 members in the community worldwide. So there is a lot of people who have different skill levels. So you can tap in and ask questions if you need any help. And like, yeah, if you're down, if you're up, if you're wins, if you're anything, like it's like a huge, big family. I really love it, and I'm enjoying that seriously. So technically, it's really not hard, but you have to be consistent. You cannot like just say day, okay, today I'm gonna do a video, tomorrow I don't feel like it. Nah, it doesn't work like that. And why you need to be consistent? Because you need to build the like, know, and trust. And for that, your people, that let's say that are watching TikTok at 10 a.m. and you posted a video, next day they're gonna be there at 10 a.m. And if they're there, they're looking for you and you're not there, they're just gonna forget about you, my friend. So, and they're not gonna know you anymore. And so that's why it's so important to post actually 3 TikTok videos every day in order people to know, like, and trust you and start doing live. So people, they're gonna connect with you, and this is how you're gonna start making sales and making money. So that's about it. All you have to do is to promote these 4 different product for income streams in order to attract people to your website, to put their email in and to see if they like your product, your digital product. And if they do, they buy it. And if they don't, they unsubscribe. That's what's digital marketing with us, promoting digital products, nothing physical, nothing that. And the beauty about that, like I said before, you can sell over and over and over again. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you really did, please subscribe. And if you have any more questions, you have questions or anything about that, just leave me a comment and I will be more than happy to answer you. Okay, enjoy your day.